Hello and welcome to episode 3 of Project Van. This is Prash from PB Merch Group, so we're back at the workshop with Martin today. So today what we're actually going to be doing is prepping the bonnet, the front and rear bumper, ready for paint. Martin's asked us help us out a little bit, obviously purely to get the van done as soon as possible, so we can do the remaining work on it. So yeah, it's back in PPE. Full gear, obviously protective. You're going to be using a lot of paint thinner. So I've got my mask as well, which is a PP3 mask, which is ideal for this job. Hello and welcome back to episode 3 of Project Van. It's 7:30 on a Friday night. We're back in the workshop. We just arrived and we're going to do some tasks today. So we're going to be helping Martin out. We're going to be going through Aladdin's cave this evening and see what we find, see what needs replacing. At the same time, if we've got any headlights that's got a bit of paint on it, we're going to be cleaning it. So yeah, that's our task for tonight. Also, while we've not been here, Martin has been working on prepping some of the panels. So you come over here, as you see, the rear bumper and the bonnet has been primed. We're still looking on some of the other bits. He's sanding it down, he's filled some of the stuff, he's still working on that. Yeah, Martin's let us down tonight. He's decided to work on another project, so he's not going to be doing any painting for us today. As you can see now, he thinks it's lunchtime. Enjoying your food, Martin?
Thank you.
Yeah, come on, we've got work to do.
Come on, just hurry up.
So what we're going to be doing today is literally getting a bit of paint thinner on a bit of cloth and just wiping the lights down very briefly. We don't want to damage any of the plastic. It's literally just a bit of a clear up exercise, removing the paint from the last owner. We decided to take an aerosol can without stripping the lights. So it's literally just a slight little clean, get rid of the paint. And we're going to be doing that from the front and in the rears as well. Just so we don't see any paint once the lights go back onto the van again. It's something I didn't really want to do on a Friday evening, but unfortunately, business comes first. So to the former owner of this vehicle, if you do come across this van in any of our social media, please get in touch. After reviewing your previous work on the van, Martin and I would like to offer you a full-time position in spraying vehicles. So please get in touch. Martin, we need to put a message out for the former owner to get in touch for a job. What do you think?
Yeah, you can apply for the job. I give you the job straight away.
So it's now 11:20 on a Friday evening. We're still at the workshop. We've been working tirelessly for the last few hours. It was quite a job removing all the white paint from all the grills, the trimmings, the door seals, from the chrome, from the lights. As you can see, they're back to being black again. They're not yellow or white. We've put a couple of lights on. Again, there was white paint all over here. So we had to obviously restore all the plastic trimmings again. So that's what we've done so far. Plans for tomorrow. So hopefully we'll have the bonnet sprayed and the bumpers. He's going to be priming them in the morning. That won't be captured on video purely because we won't be here. And then I've still got to clean up some of the tailgate and whatever else he finds in Aladdin's cave for me tomorrow, just to tidy up a little bit. But yeah, we're going to call it a wrap for tonight.
And still make it
Don't be late tomorrow.
Yeah. I'll see when I wake up. Welcome back to episode 3. We're back at the workshop. It's 4:45 on a Saturday evening. We've just arrived. We've had a busy day, so couldn't come any earlier. As you see, Martin over there is now spraying the bumper. As you see from here, the bonnet's been done, the front and back as well. Tailgate's been painted, just the inner side. I've still seen a bit of yellow on the other side, so I think we've still got to do that side. Let's go see what Martin is saying. Martin, why is my van not ready? Yeah, I take that look as not a happy one from him. So as you can see from here, Martin is now sanding down the bonnet. It was primed yesterday, he's let it dry overnight. He's just sanding it down, flattening the surface, then he's going to panel wipe it down, ready for painting. So just to introduce Martin a little bit. So Martin is fully qualified in doing body repairs, spraying. He was previously employed by Aston Martin up in Warwickshire. He used to spray the vehicles during production. Since leaving them, he's opened his own business and has been doing this now. So from previously working with Martin, I know that his work is always at the highest quality. He keeps the vehicles clean and is always premium level of work. So tonight we're going to be taking off all 4 wheels. We're going to be dropping them off to MA Osman's powder coating and sandblasting. He's going to be stripping the wheels down for us, dipping them into chemicals, sandblast them, getting rid of all the paint. Then we're going to bring them back tomorrow. Martin's then going to be priming them, spraying them and lacquering them, and then we'll get them put back on again. So yeah, here it goes. So we're back at the workshop today. Today is Wednesday evening. We are a bit delayed, a couple of days. We have taken some time out, go look for the new projects. So far what we've been doing, we've stripped literally everything out from inside of here, all of the panels. As you can see, with the aerosol can, it has been sprayed white as well. So again, we're going to be spraying the sides and the roof back to white again. So we're just prepping it, going to be masking it soon. Just a quick thing. So this bag is more or less full. This is rubbish from under the seats. So if you follow me into the spray area, we can have a quick glimpse from over here. This is all the remaining trims, panel, boot lid, rear bumper, door mirrors, door handles, fuel cap. These are all the remaining trimmings that are being sprayed white. So we're almost done. We're hoping we'll get the project done in the next few days or a bit early next week. As you can see, there's a lot of stuff still need to go back into the vehicle, the grills, the panels from the rear. So yeah, we've still got a lot of work to do. We've taken out all the wiring, all the speakers. We're looking forward to it. Hello and welcome back. It's Prash from PB Motor Group again. So it's now Friday evening. We're on the way to MK Smart Repair. We're in our mobile valeting van today. We've got all the cleaning products, everything in the back of the van. It makes life a lot easier. So yeah, we're taking the van out today. So you would have seen from previous clips that we did stone guard the rear of the van, just the rear axle, just to give you that extra protection from grit, salt, water, etc. You know, from the daily wear and tear on the car. So yeah, Martin's been working throughout the day. I don't know what progress is made. The windscreen has been done now. It was fitted earlier on today. So yeah, we're on the way there to see what progress is happening. Stay tuned for more. So we're back here at MK's workshop. Back here with Martin, who's hard at work. So as we were putting everything back together, we tested the speakers. The quality wasn't so good. So we decided to upgrade the speakers. So we've gone for some Kenwood speakers, 300 watt RMS, just for the extra bit of sound for the working person who's going to be using this van. Welcome back, guys. We're back at MK Smart Repairs this evening. The van's now ready to be collected. However, Martin's here with a clipboard which doesn't look very nice. I'm not very happy with it because this is the part where he tells me what he's going to be charging me and how much extra add-ons he's put on for me. So we maybe have to get into a little wrestling match later on, Martin, for this. So this is the final filming for episode 3. We will be doing an episode 4 with the final reveal, talk through exactly what we've done to the car, all the bits that we've had to change. So stay tuned for more. Don't forget to follow us, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also follow us on Instagram at PB Motor Group. Thank you for watching.